In this video, I will show you 3 different ways you can easily add a color gradient in Photoshop. So the first way is super easy. Let's just grab our gradient tool here, and then at the top, let's just change our gradient settings to black to transparent. And now all we need to do is just drag out our gradient, and by holding Shift, you can keep it in a straight line. And then in our properties panel here, we can adjust our gradient color just by clicking on these circles, and I'll make this red, for example. And of course, we can adjust our gradient by clicking around. And yeah, there we go. First way is super simple. Let's just delete this layer. And now for the second way, let's grab our rectangle tool and then just draw out a shape on top of our image. And then you want to make your rectangle fill transparent. Just double click on your rectangle layer here. And let's add a gradient overlay. So here, if you click on your gradient here, you can change the color. Click that little square and then your color, and let's just make this, let's do a darker blue. Hit OK. And then on the right side here, if you click the box on top, you can change your opacity. Let's just make that 0. And then let's just hit OK. And then here we can adjust the angle of our gradient. Let's just make this 0, so it's from left to right. And then if you want, you can change your blending mode. Let's just say, multiply if you want it darker. I'll leave it normal for now. And then let's just hit OK. And now if we drag our rectangle shape out, make sure that your rectangle tool is selected. Here you can adjust your gradient size. And that is the second way. Now for the third way, let's just add an adjustment layer. Let's choose solid color. And then here you can choose the color of your gradient. So this time let's just do like a dark green. Hit OK. And then select your layer mask here on the right. And then let's just grab our gradient tool. I know this seems kind of weird, but let's just go with it. Let's make this black to transparent. And then with your layer mask selected, and then your black color on top of your white color, you can drag out your gradient on your layer mask. And then here you can adjust your gradient type. So let's just change our gradient to radial, change these handles, drag out this gradient, and yeah, there we go. And that is 3 different ways you can easily add a color gradient in Photoshop. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps a lot to support the channel and to create more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.